Hi, I am Dallas Davenport, a biology student at the University of Idaho. You probably have heard of the term insulin at some point in your life, but you may not know exactly what it is, what causes it to be made, and its effects. Insulin, made in the body, is a chemical created and released by the pancreas to control the amount of sugars in the blood. It acts like a pizza delivery girl, delivering pizza to hungry households. Though instead of pizza, it is allowing intake of sugar, and instead of households, it's cells. I'll explain what insulin is and what happens when it gets a delivery call in this brief slidecast. It is important to make the distinction between types of insulin to aid in this definition. When people refer to insulin, they may be referring to synthetic or laboratory-designed insulin, or insulin created within the body. People with diabetes may not be able to take or make their own insulin, or may not be able to use the insulin they do make, so they may use lab-made insulin. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas in the body. A hormone is a tiny chemical that acts as a messenger, and the pancreas is a relatively small organ in the body. Hormones are released into the blood and are carried away until they reach their destination. Insulin is created and released when food is eaten, especially foods with a lot of sugar in it. Glucose, a type of sugar, is used for energy in the cells of the body. There is always some amount of glucose in the blood. More is absorbed into the blood during digestion of food and stays there until some of it can be moved to other parts of the body that need it. To move that sugar to the hungry muscle cells or to store it in the liver, insulin is needed. Insulin signals the cells to take in or absorb the glucose. This gives hungry cells their own food, just like the delivery girl ringing the doorbell to give hungry people their food. Cells can't function if they don't have their own food for energy. Without insulin, the cells can't remember to answer the door to get their food order. Insulin allows your body to perform all motor tasks like walking, lifting weights, even watching this. Thanks for listening in. Hopefully during this presentation you learn more about a very important pizza delivery girl controlling energy uptake constantly within your body.